So what is Skool and how does it work in 2026? The platform is built for creators, coaches, and educators who want to bring their community, courses, and events together. The centralized idea is that the community itself is the most important part of the experience. So let's go over the core features of Skool. The Skool is built around 4 primary features that work together. This works like a private social media feed for your members, but without advertisers or outside distractions. Members can write posts, comment, and share files and videos. It is designed to be a centralized place for all the member interactions. Second is the classroom. This is where you can host online courses, you can upload videos and add resource files, and structure your content into models. Design is intentionally simple to get you a course set up and published with minimal technical steps. The classroom is located inside the community, so members don't have to go to a separate site to access course materials. Third is the calendar. This feature is for organizing group events like Q&As, coaching calls, or workshops. When you schedule an event, the system automatically converts the time zone for every member, which is useful for communities with a global audience. And finally, there's gamification. This feature is designed to encourage participation. Members can earn points for activities like liking posts and commenting. As they accumulate points, they can level up through different tiers that you can name. You can also set it up so that new course materials are automatically unlocked when a member reaches a certain level. Okay, let's now talk about the pricing for Skool. So Skool offers 2 main plans. We have the hobby plan and we also have the pro plan. So the hobby plan will cost you $9 a month, and with this plan you get all features, unlimited members, unlimited videos, unlimited live streaming, and you also get a 10% transaction fee, but you don't get a custom URL, hidden suggesting communities, or you don't get advanced analytics. And if you wanted these features, you would have to get the pro plan, which will cost you $99 a month, and with this plan you get all features, unlimited members, unlimited videos, unlimited live streaming, and also your transaction fee goes down to 2.9%, and you do get custom URL, and you also get hidden suggested communities, and you get advanced analytics. Now, Skool does offer a 14-day free trial, which allows you to test all the features before paying. Okay, let's now talk a bit about the advantages, limitations, and alternatives. So the main advantage of Skool is its focused all-in-one design. By integrating the community, courses, and calendar, it creates a single location for members to interact and learn. The gamification system is also a key feature, intended to increase member engagement. However, the platform has some intentional limitations. Skool is minimalist by design. You cannot customize the layout or color scheme. It also lacks built-in advanced marketing tools like sales funnels or email automation sequences. You would need to use external tools for those functions. So when compared to some alternatives, the differences are clear. The platform like Circle offers significant more customization and branding control, but it is also more complex and its pricing can be higher depending on the features you need. Compared to a platform like Kajabi, Skool is much more focused on its community. Kajabi is a broader business platform with more advanced marketing and website building features, but at a higher price point. Okay, so the conclusion, ultimately, Skool is built for a specific kind of creator. It's best suited for those who prioritize community engagement and want a simple, straightforward platform without needing to manage multiple software tools. It is designed for coaches and course creators who believe their members can learn best in an interactive community environment. So if you're considering whether Skool is the right choice for your needs, remember Skool do provide a 14-day free trial so you can test the platform without paying. Okay, so that pretty much does it for this video. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. It's really appreciated. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.